I have in front of me an outdoor Wi-Fi camera. It's 2 megapixel, battery operated. Comes with small parcel, low cost shipping directly from freetv.ie. This is the outer box that comes in here. Okay, so there's a couple of cool things about this. You're able to just set this up directly off your Wi-Fi network. You don't need to have a power supply where you're putting it because it comes with rechargeable batteries. The batteries themselves will last, if there was about 6 activations a day, it will last for about 60 days. Okay, so you can have a long thing on it. And how it works is you're able to come along, there's an activation there, then you're able to look into the camera, see why it's been activated, and you know that by looking at your app. And you can talk into it then directly in terms of there's a two-way communication with it. So what are the component parts that come with it here? Well, I'll just move this out of the way. This is the main event. I've opened it up and taken out the 2 batteries that goes in there. We can put in 120 up to 128 gig SD card in here for just recording what's happening. There's things like cloud storage and things like that you can put onto it if you want to set this up, but you have to pay extra for that, so you're probably just going to go with the basic package here directly on it because you can store and overwrite what's there. If we look in the back, there's a magnet built in here, and this is somewhat cool, but that's how it goes. This is the part you mount directly onto the wall. There's 2 plugs and 2 screws, and it allows you just to come along and mount it out there. So it sits outside, somebody walks past it, and you activate it. Now in terms of night vision, you have about 8 meters of night vision there, so you can see like who's coming up to it in the evening time. There's a manual that comes with that in English. In terms of how we go and charge it then, we come along and we just see here that we have a micro USB slot here, we have a thing here. So what we do is we would just disconnect it like this, bring it inside, put it on the thing, charge it up, and then put it back outside as well. So overall we'll say it's a nice little unit. The price point on it's extremely attractive. It's extremely easy set up. The app we're going to use with it here, you can Google either on the App Store, either Denver or Tuya. So they're the 2 apps that are used right across this particular range of products. Just a little bit about the supplier here. These are based in Scandinavia. We've gone with these guys because they're a huge supplier within Europe. The price point is extremely attractive, and they have great products. A lot of people doing product testing, all the rest of it before they're bringing it in. Most of this stuff is obviously coming from the Far East, but there's a lot of specification for the European market being done by Denver. So it's really a great brand to get in with, simply because they have a huge range of stuff, great price points, hassle-free, and we're the stockist here in Ireland.